Today on Caring Guy, we're checking out a must-have accessory for every DJI Mavic for Pro owner, the STARTRC Foldable Landing Gear, designed to make every takeoff and landing safer, smoother, and more professional. This smart, sled-style landing gear is engineered exclusively for the Mavic for Pro, ensuring a perfect fit that doesn't block your drone's indicator lights, cooling vents, or bottom sensors. The aerodynamic design even helps reduce air drag during flight, keeping performance at its best. With a 30mm height increase, it raises your drone higher off the ground, protecting the gimbal, camera lens, and propellers from dirt, debris, or damage during takeoff and landing on uneven terrain. Made from strong, lightweight plastic, the entire frame weighs only 40 grams. It adds protection without adding weight, stable, sturdy, and effortless for the Mavic for Pro to lift. The foldable and quick-release design means you can install or remove it in seconds, no tools required. Once locked in, it stays firmly attached, even during dynamic flight maneuvers. Plus, you can easily replace the battery without removing the gear. And when you're done flying, just fold it down for compact storage. It's easy to carry, quick to set up, and offers an extra layer of security every time you fly. Keep in mind, for installation, make sure the drone's arms are fully unfolded before attaching. Once installed, it's not designed to fold back into waterproof storage boxes. So if you want to protect your DJI Mavic for Pro and land with confidence anywhere, the STARTRC Foldable Landing Gear is a simple upgrade that makes a big difference. Thanks for watching this review. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Caring Guy for more drone tips, accessories, and honest reviews. Fly smart. Fly safe. See you in the next one.